The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Fayette County, Ohio, southern Madison County until 12:30 p.m. At 12:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near South Charleston, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Sterling, South Solon, Midway, Newport, Chenoweth, Interstate 71 at State Route 38, Madison Mills, Bookwalter, Big Plain, Shady Grove, and Pancosburg. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 71 and 88. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Here is a hazardous weather outlook.